Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to install Lightroom for free on your laptop or PC, be sure to watch this video until the end. So let's begin. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simple open your Chrome. Here you need to type BlueStacks 5, and by this link you can download and install BlueStacks on your laptop or PC. After the installation, open BlueStacks X. Then click on Google Play Store. Here you need to type Adobe Lightroom. Then click on Install on App Player. Here you can see that Lightroom has started installing on our system, and you can also install it on your system using the same method. But before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel so that we can quickly reach our goal of completing 1K subscribers.